Well, it's a big loss of face for the Congress over the erstwhile Manmohan government's muted response to Pakistan-sponsored 26/11 terror attacks in the year 2011. Manish Tiwari in his latest book has indicted the UPA government for being soft and restrained in responding to Pakistani terror. Here's a full report.
Pakistan butchered hundreds of Indians in 26/11. Restraint by Congress government was weakness. Restraint not a sign of strength. Congress government should have acted after 26/11. Prime Minister Manmohan should have done retaliatory strikes. Another day, another Congress leader out to embarrass the party. Former Congress Minister Manish Tiwari tearing into Congress's weakness against terror. In his new book, 10 Flashpoints, 20 years, National Security Situations that Impacted India. Questioning why the Manmohan government failed to launch a counter-strike when Pakistani terrorists bled India in Mumbai. Congress distanced itself from the big 26/11 admission but hinted at disciplinary action against Tiwari.
This is sad part of democracy. People say whatever they feel like, but what I would like to mention here is that while the Pulwama was happening, where was the Prime Minister, the then Prime Minister? What was he doing? Was he not shooting for one of the channels? So accusing anybody is a very simple thing.
But the BJP was quick to pounce upon the opportunity to embarrass Congress, calling it a massive betrayal to India's fight on terror, questioning Gandhi family's resolve to counter Pakistan terror, even pitting Congress's muted 26/11 response to Modi government's Balakot airstrikes.
एक टिप्पणी हमारी ही सेना के तत्कालीन एयर चीफ मार्शल फाली होमी मेजर जी की मैं जरूर आपके समक्ष रखूंगा। उनका वक्तव्य है कि सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक वॉज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी लॉस्ट एंड वी डिडंट मेक यूज ऑफ इट। ऐसा क्यों हुआ सोनिया गांधी जी? हमारी वीर सेना को, जिसका लोहा पूरे विश्व में हर कोई मानता है, यह अनुमति नहीं दी गई। अभी कुछ ही दिन पहले सिद्धू जी ने कह दिया इमरान खान तो हमारा बड़ा भाई है। आपका बड़ा भाई इमरान खान है तो हम भारतीय क्या हैं? राहुल गांधी जी, हम पराए हैं।
The Air Force Chief during 26/11 strikes, Air Chief Marshal Fali Homi Major, had earlier said that the Air Force was ready to strike Pakistan after the terror attacks. But the Congress government never gave the go-ahead.
The main thing is the political will to undertake an airstrike. And this is my guess, but I think I would be right, that perhaps our intelligence gathering, all kinds of intelligence collection has improved, and we are sure of targets to use air power so that to avoid collateral damage. Though a small tactical action like this has a huge strategic effect, and we should never ever hesitate to use air power in any such operation, provided you have a lucrative target available.
Manish Tiwari is the second Congress stalwart to embarrass the party. Recently, Salman Khurshid had called Hindutva same as ISIS and Boko Haram in his book. Bureau Report, India Today.
Well, let's take a look at the comparison of Congress and the BJP when it comes to terrorism and how both of these parties handled it.
Let me help you understand why this has become UPA versus NDA, which is the incumbent government. Take a look at this. 2008, we all know 26/11 Mumbai terror attack. 171 people had lost life in different locations across Mumbai. The government back then was UPA, led by the Congress party. As it appeared, there was no direct offensive action against Pakistan on ground. In 2016, remember the Uri terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir? Casualty was about 23. Then the NDA government, led by the BJP, and the surgical strike that took place on Pakistan that we are all aware of now. In 2013, Srinagar terror attack, 8 soldiers of the CRPF, remember, had lost their life. The government back then was the UPA. Again, as it appeared that there was no direct offensive action against Pakistan. But compare that to 2019 Pulwama terror attack, horrific incident in South Kashmir where 46 CRPF Jawans had lost their life. Government then was NDA, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP. The action, it appeared, as an airstrike on Pakistan that we now know as the Balakot strike as well. So this is why the comparison has now become, and why the BJP is also jumping into these claims.